If your live wallpaper isn't working on your iPhone, it's not moving or reacting to touch, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure you're using a live photo. Live wallpapers only work if you're using an actual live photo, not a still image. To check that, go to your Photos app, then tap the image you're using and make sure it says Live in the top left. Next, enable Live Photo as wallpaper. To do that, go to your Settings app, then scroll down, tap on Wallpaper. After that, tap Customize on the lock screen. Then make sure Live Photo is enabled. After that, tap on Done. Next, check lock screen behavior. Live wallpapers only animate on the lock screen and only when you long press. They won't move on the home screen or automatically like a video. After that, disable low power mode. And to do that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on battery. After that, turn off low power mode. Live wallpapers are disabled when low power mode is turned on. Then, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix minor bugs that prevent the animation from working. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.